Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Bloom's channels. We are learning cursive handwriting. This is day 8. Hello everyone, just a small quick revision of what we learned in the last class. We learned alphabet O, P, V, W. And today we are going to learn alphabet R, S, X and Z. Before that, I will teach you one more pattern. Take a small curve, go little line, put a circle, touch the line this and come down straight. Little line, put a circle, straight you come down. Circle, straight come down. Little line, put a circle, straight. When you are going here, go little line, put a circle, touch the line and come down. This is a one pattern. You can, without lifting your pencil, you try this pattern. By using this pattern, we can write alphabet R and S. Okay, now shall we try alphabet R? Go take a curve and little slant, put a circle, then here put a curve and come straight. In letter R, no need to touch this line, but here when we are writing this pattern, we touch this line, but when you are writing alphabet R, no need to touch it. Curve, put a circle, come down. If you practice that pattern, then it's easy to write this one. Okay, you practice this one at least for 2-3 lines. Then I will show you how to write S. From here you take a slant, it should be straight, then come back and put a bump and touch this and come back. Straight, bump and come back. No need to put a circle or bump here. It won't look that much good. If you compare, this one is look so beautiful. Try to write it in this way. No need to put a circle. Then one more thing. Don't cross the line up to here. No need to cross this one. This is wrong. No need to put a circle here. Just you come back. Take line and touch this line and come back. Okay, shall we write one more time? Slowly you can increase your speed. And R. Then now we'll learn alphabet X. X is like a C. First you have to write a reverse C, then normal C. Start from here, then you have to go in the same line up to here, then take a C. It should be start from here up to here, you should come, then go back in the same curve up to here, then you take a next like C. Then last one more alphabet. If you learn this one, then I hope you all learned all the cursive letters. Using that cursive letters, next class I will teach you how to write the words. Take a curve, bump, one more, and put a loop. Okay, no need to put a big loop. This is wrong. Try to put a small loop. This is easy also. Using this, we can continuously write without lifting our pencils. Slowly you can increase your speed. Hope you all enjoyed our cursive handwriting classes. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like our work, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends.